Hello, everybody. The morning after. I'm making this video because I heard and saw that yesterday, November 15th, 2018, was a flipping disaster. I wasn't going to bore you with halfway driving home and look at this and look at that. And hello, everybody. So, I'm going to tell you what happened, even though you already should know. My commute ended up being 2 hours. A couple of people ended up being 2 to 3 hours. If you went from the city, New York City, to Eastern Long Island, it took 6 to 8. It took a whole nother work day to get home. Some of these people, well, you know, a lot of people. The George Washington Bridge, I think upper level, had icing. There was multiple car crashes. Everybody was stopped. I saw that video. Everybody says that every single official dropped the ball. The meteorologists did not predict or tell that this was going to be a 2 to 8 inch thing. Nobody went out with salt trucks or anything because they didn't have to, because they were told it's going to be a dusting. So it rained at whatever time, and as you could see, everything is wet. It's only 43 degrees. It's not cold, freezing. A lot of it melted already. A lot of the stuff you see on the side is from plows and cars and whatnot. So the aftermath is nothing, because I'm sitting in traffic going back to work on a Friday, November 16th, 2018. Okay, everybody. And what's happening right now is everyone's going to start pointing the finger. Everyone's going to start blaming people. Oh, he told me to go home. Oh, this senator, this, who cares that? Whatever the hell case may be. A town supervisor took off and went to Florida. Yeah, whatever. So the shit's gonna hit the fan. Someone's gonna start pointing fingers. One person's gonna take the entire heat for every county and either get fired or something. And then the next snowstorm, what always happens is then it's going to be overkill. There's going to be a ton of trucks, a ton of personnel, and then everyone's going to be like, how much is this costing us taxpayers? And that's when it's that's when you get the fuckery, where it's like, wait, no one was out here yesterday, but for argument's sake, in 4 weeks when it happens again, everyone was out here. And it's costing triple the amount, and we only have a certain amount of salt for the year. That's a good one, when they span over to the silos and they're like, oh, we only have 17 million tons of salt this year. So as soon as the salt runs out, what happens? Everyone dies? Okay, everybody. Today, everybody, we're gonna drive into the traffic, everybody. In Italy, we didn't have a car. We either walked or took a bicycle. And then we had to go down to the field and pick at the arugula rub. And then we had to cook the arugula, and then it became a brugoli. Uh-oh. Supposedly they said there was 556 car accidents yesterday. I don't know if that's New York or New Jersey. That's a lot. Everything is a lot, you know. And then there's this guy, you know, have to do your job, right? Pulling over a van, possibly on a cell phone or driving erratically in this weather. Okay, everybody. I want to say a ciao, a salute, and a chin. See you, everybody, in the next video. Chickity ching, hee haw, hee haw. Dominic the donkey.